Hey, I'm not worried about data migration anymore. I'm not gonna lie, when the idea first came up, I wasn't really jumping for joy, so I educated myself about broken links, and then I was looking for a way to handle them before we initiated the move to the cloud. And I kind of looked around and I found myself on the LinkFixer Advanced page. One of the link tech guys showed me how it worked and how effective it was on just a sample of one of my files. And that was it. I was sold. The data migration that you might be leaving, well, it's kind of a big responsibility, but there is no need for it to be a nightmare. LinkFixer Advanced maybe can't handle all of your migration problems, but it can ensure you avoid the one big one, losing data due to broken file links. Now, it's going to help you look like the professional that you really are. Will it put an end to the complaining end users and the aggravating of bosses? I'm not promising any miracles here, but it will give you one less thing to worry about and allow you more time to handle other migration issues. Click the link and you'll be on your way to having not to worry about losing data due to broken file links.